Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to structure a UK curriculum vitae using a model example. You don't have to copy this layout, however you can find Canva templates on the platform website which work great and provide a free account. This is just used as an example. So at the very top of your CV on the left hand side, include a title. Contact details. Put your email address and mobile or landline number. On the right hand side, put your full name, and underneath this, put the job role that you're applying for, like marketing manager. Make this very eye-catching because this is the employee's first impression of you. They see this instantly. Secondly, you want to put your personal summary. This is also the first thing that the employer will notice, along with your name and your title. Keep it short, sweet, and impactful. Focus on who you are as a person, what experience, skills, and qualifications you bring, your strongest achievement, and how these match the company's values, goals, and mission. You must read the job description carefully and include the recommended skills, experience, and qualifications in your CV. Think of it like reconciling your bank account, matching their recommended requirements to your abilities. Then I normally create a 2-column layout. On one side, list your personal characteristics, caring, patience, attention to detail, etc. Under that, list your practical skills, real tasks you can perform in the workplace. So for example, in teaching, lesson planning, delivering lessons, marking tests, giving feedback. Underneath you can put courses, and under that you can include references if needed, or you can put reference on request. Side of the CV, list your work experience, starting with the most recent job first and then backwards historically. Keep your bullet points focused on what you did and how your actions match the recommended skills in the job description. Then you add your education. Now, if you're younger or early in your career, you should include your GCSEs and A-levels. If you're older and experienced, just include the highest relevant qualifications with the name of the course, the place studied, and the dates. So when it comes to layout and design, use black text on a white background and then one contrasting professional colour to highlight titles or skills. Keep it clean, modern, and easy to read. Usually I would use navy blue or turquoise colour. Now, some very important safeguarding and equality rules in the UK. Do not include a photo, your date of birth or age, your religion or sexual orientation, your marital status or family information. Do not include disabilities or health issues, nationality, unless you must confirm the right to work. This protects your privacy and keeps your CV compliant with equal opportunity standards and anti-fraud safety. I recommend keeping your CV to one page, short and focused, because employers are busy and may receive hundreds of applications. If they want to see more work history, they can request it during the interview. So, in summary, make your CV clear, tailored, professional, and always matched to the job. Show them why you are interview worthy. And if you'd like more business English videos, I would love it if you could subscribe here. that opens professional doors for you.